reaching that level that you want to reach. You're not reaching your goal. You're struggling. You're trying, bro. But you have so many distractions and school and this and that. Everything is in your fucking way. Everything sucks. Why the fuck does this have to be that way, bro? Let me ask you a question. What if you just grind hard as fuck for just 1 month? Just 1 month. Make it 25 days. Just 25 days. Grind as fuck for just 25 days. Cut all the social media that is not useful for your business. Cut all of the shit. Cut all the fucking useless going out with friends and partying shit. And grind for just 1 month. After 1 month, bro, feel free to take that 1-2 weeks to go out, party with your friends, to go, I don't know, scroll on social media for maybe an hour a day. But just for 1 month, have this season of grind. Then grind for 1 month so fucking much. Like, people are gonna call you crazy. That much, just for 1 month. And then you're gonna have 2 or 3 weeks. Do whatever the fuck you want because you're gonna grind so much in this 1 month and you're gonna achieve a lot. And then after 2 or 3 weeks, have this grind month again. Maybe you can make them 2 months then. But just make it, bro. What do you think that's gonna bring you? What do you think you're gonna achieve if you just grind as fuck for 1 month? What do you think? Do you think you're gonna get worse? Do you think you're not gonna see any results? Do you think your business is not gonna start going upwards? Do you think your bank balance is gonna get worse? Because you're not going to party out with your friends? I don't think so, bro. I think that you're actually going to improve. And try this for 1 month. Full on focus on your business, on the grind, on whatever the fuck you got. Just fucking grind, bro. Make a list. Say, I'm not gonna do this shit because this is my monk mode season. I'm not gonna do this shit for 1 month, 25 days, just 25 days. And I'm gonna focus on this, and this. And now, when you say focus, for example, let's say you're a YouTuber, right? This is an example. And you wanna, I don't know, build your YouTube channel bigger, right? And you're thinking, alright, I gotta make the thumbnails, I gotta record the videos, I gotta make my YouTube page look good, I gotta make a Twitter account, I gotta comment on other people's accounts, I gotta comment, yeah, I gotta, I don't know, join Discord servers, promote myself. Bro, you just pointed out so many things, but now ask yourself, what the fuck is essential? If you're just gonna be commenting on other people's videos, are you gonna get subscribers? Famous people, famous, with a lot of subscribers, a lot of likes. Where the fuck are gonna be your likes? You're not gonna have any likes if you don't have any content. So what is crucial for growing on YouTube? What is the essential thing to grow on YouTube? Recording and uploading videos. Exactly. So what you gotta do every day to become bigger? Record videos. It doesn't fucking matter about the best thumbnail, the best description, so many comments on other people's YouTube videos so other people can find out from me. No. This shit doesn't matter. I mean, you can definitely spread your account with that, but what matters is uploading every fucking day. Or maybe just have a schedule, I don't know, 2 times per week, 3 times per week. The point is that you upload videos. You will not get, you won't get shit if you have nicely set YouTube account, a lot of comments on other people's accounts, a nice Twitter account. You won't get money from that. Okay, actually from Twitter you could, but like if your main focus is YouTube, you're not gonna get YouTube related money from that. So you know, once you set up, I don't know, once you have a lot of videos, you just start improving them. You start improving them. You start adding thumbnails, descriptions, all that shit, bro. You can start with all of that. But the most essential thing is that you have a video to upload. This is the most essential thing. So when you make a list, you put essentials. This is the essential. I gotta make this, I gotta upload this video. Okay, now I can go do the thumbnails and this shit if I have time. Which you're probably gonna try to make, right? I mean, I recommend you try to making that. But like the most essential thing is record every fucking video, you know. And after you have videos, you can go on other shit. But the first thing is recording. So you make a list of essentials. You do this shit. Then you make the hard shit. Listen, just make your daily routines. I wake up this time, I do this. Okay, now what I gotta do for my business. The essential thing is recording, scripting, recording. Scripting is not essential. Recording is. You can script to make better videos, but it's not essential, right? Essential is to record. So, you know, you make your list, you make your routine, you make your habits, and then you just start working on it. Then you make the essential shit, you record, and now you got videos to upload. Nice. Now I can start making scripts for my upcoming videos, thumbnails for my previous videos, or for my next videos. And that's kind of shit, right? So yeah, go on this grind monk mode for just 25 days, bro. And if you're gonna see but like literally no results, not even in your head mentally, you're not gonna improve as a person. Fair. But that shit's not gonna happen, bro. It's not gonna happen. If you take it seriously as fuck, if you learn and improve every day, learn about the shit you're grinding on, learn about the business you're grinding on, learn about the self-improvement, then grind on it, analyze your past losses and wins, improve, and work harder on your business and yourself, bro. If you're gonna do this every fucking day and cut out all the bad shit, start a better diet, start a better routine, cut out all the bad friends, stop going out partying for this 25 days and this shit, you know what I'm saying, bro? If you're gonna do this stuff, I guarantee you're gonna start succeeding. And after that, you know, you grind 25 days, you have week, 2 weeks off, then you go back on the grind mode and this stuff, right? And you're just repeating that and you're gonna be successful as fuck. Then, once you're successful as fuck, you can leave like Iman Gadzi or like Andrew Tate or this shit. But until you get there, you basically can't live like them. Listen, they're living these nice lives, doing all the shit and partying all the time and still being rich. Now, when they're at the top. But their road to the top was pretty much not like that. They were not partying 24/7. They were not doing all the shit they're doing now, bro. They were grinding 24/7. People call them crazy. People called them crazy. Because they were grinding so much. So how do you think you're gonna get to their level if you're not doing it better than them? Exactly, bro. Stay smart, stay wise, and remember, especially when it's hard, embrace the pain, motherfucker. See you in the next one. Ciao!